Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about a problem that confuses a lot of people. When your USB drive shows no media in disk management. Now, if you have faced this, you already know how annoying it is. You plug in your pen drive, you hear that connection sound, but when you try to open it, nothing happens. And when you check disk management, it clearly shows removable disk, no media. At that moment, most people think their USB is completely dead. But wait, before jumping to that conclusion, let's understand what's actually going on. When your USB shows no media, it simply means your computer is able to detect the USB device, but it's not able to detect the storage inside it. In simple terms, your system can see the outer hardware, but the internal memory chip is not responding properly. Now the big question is, can we fix it? Well, there is one method you can try to check if your USB is still recoverable or not. For this, you need to open command prompt as administrator. Once it opens, type disk part, then press enter. And after that, type list disk, then press enter. Now you will see all the storage devices connected to your system. Here, you need to carefully identify your USB drive. For example, here my USB drive is disk 2. Now pay close attention to the size. If your USB is showing its actual size, like 16 GB, 32 GB or something similar, then there is still a chance that it can be fixed. But if it shows 0 bytes or no media, then normal formatting methods won't work. However, if your USB is showing the correct size, you can try rebuilding it. Now type select disk 2. Here my USB disk number is disk 2. Replace 2 with your USB disk number and then press enter. As you can see this message, disk 2 is now the selected disk. After that, type clean and then press enter. Now one important thing. The clean command will completely erase all the data from your USB. So make sure you are selecting the correct disk. Next type create space partition space primary and then hit enter. As you can see, disk part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Next type format space fs equals exFAT space quick. If you want a different drive format here, you can enter NTFS or System32 instead of exFAT. Since I have a large drive here, I choose exFAT and then hit enter. Now as you can see the message, disk part successfully formatted the volume. After that, type assign and press enter. And it will automatically opens your USB drive. And as you can see, it is also visible in File Explorer. Go back and check your USB again. If everything goes well, your pen drive should start working normally. Now here's the reality. The issue is not always software related. Sometimes the internal hardware of the USB, like the memory chip or controller, gets damaged. And in those cases, software fixes may not fully recover it. But at least with this method, you can clearly understand whether your USB is fixable or not, instead of guessing. And if you still have any questions, just drop a comment. I will try to help you out. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.